Bonjour, buenos dias. Good day, guten Tag, konnichiwa.
This is our last day.
Shalom, dobre dien. Hello to all the children of the world. We live in different places from all around the world. We speak in
Make a
many
good line
different
first.
ways. Though some things might be different, we're children just the same. And we all like to sing and play. Hello,
Why?
bonjour, buenos dias. Good day.
Hey, how come like that?
Konnichiwa. Ciao, shalom, dobre dien. Hello
Hey,
to all
Sophie,
the
this
children
is
of the
our
world.
last day. You have to be
There are children
nice.
in the desert,
our
and children in
attendance.
the towns, and children who live down
After
by
this,
the sea.
no, after this not only.
If we could meet each other to run
Hello,
and sing
Reza.
and play,
Hello,
then what
Rhea.
good friends we all
Hello,
could
Vito.
be.
Hello, Max.
Hello, bonjour, buenos dias.
Hello, Kimora.
Good day, guten Tag,
Hello, Giselle.
konnichiwa.
Max. Hello, Max.
Shalom,
Hello.
dobre dien.
Hello, Gilbert.
Hello to all the children.
Hello,
of the
Lovin.
world.
Hello, Abang. Hello, Marsha. Hello, Ito. Oh, be careful. This is K1 George. Part of K1 George.
Hello,
Drink on your
buenos
plate.
dias. Good day, guten Tag, konnichiwa.
Sharing, sharing. Bisa
Ciao,
already right?
shalom,
Ready up
dobre dien.
Why?
Hello to all the children of the
Yo.
world.
Why you close your
Hello to all the children of the world.
Why
Hello
you?
to all the children of
Yeah,
the
why?
world.
Eat ya bang, eat a lot. Eat Gilbert.
It's been a
Ah,
long
eat bang.
friend, and I'll
Ah,
tell
good abang.
you again.
Clay, eat clay, still food clay. Eat quickly, eat. Oh, look at Aka na, food Aka.
Oh, I'll tell you
Razer, nah. Dito, almost finish ya.
when I see you again.
Yes, almost finish.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right
Masih
here
still.
talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at
soft,
things
yeah.
different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place.